Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cycle Sensation, and this is the new channel that I have started just for the bicycle freaks who are interested in cycling, daily cycling, and avoiding pollution. So it is a really need of time to use cycles and stop pollution. Today's session we would be going ahead with what should be the basic accessories and toolkits that would be required when you buy a bicycle. So many a times we do not give a lot of attention to it, so these accessories are quite necessary. So before moving ahead, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, so that you could get the latest updates and notifications from my channel. So let's quickly go on to have a new look at the toolkit. So the first and foremost thing that you should buy when you buy a bicycle is a good quality helmet. So there are multiple companies, बहुत सारे companies है यहाँ पे जो कि अच्छी quality का helmet provide करते हैं. So this is the one that I purchased when I bought my bicycle. And ये जो है, so it is a detachable one. So maybe if you could want this, so this is a sun protector, so you could have this or you may remove this. So it is detachable thing. So this is the helmet from the company Hercules. So as you could see here, and it is good quality of having a fiber body, and it would definitely protect you from minor injuries. So it is a must to have a to have a helmet while riding a bicycle. Because यहाँ पर इंडिया में काफ़ी सारे टू व्हीलर्स एंड फोर व्हीलर्स आर हैविंग रश ऑन द रोड्स. So it's definitely a need of time to have a helmet. Maybe it's two wheeler, a cycle. Okay, so this is also of a good quality. So if you could see, these are the belts to hang it around your neck, and uh, the inside is also too good. It's quite cushioned here, and also the air circulation is also good. So you could go ahead with this Hercules one, or you could purchase, there are different types of helmets of similar quality or of good quality. So this may cost you around somewhere around 1000 to 1500. And I think so, just don't go and look at the price. I think so you should look at the quality of the product. And yeah, so this is the first product. Let's move on to another product. Let me show you this one. So this is the basically the mobile holder from Tarkan company. So ये मैंने अभी अभी recently order किया था, and it is a cool gadget to have whenever you are attaching a mobile. You could attach here. So I am having a Realme mobile which is 6 inches long, and it fits in it properly. So you could just hang it on your mobile, hang it on your cycle rod, and just connect your mobile onto this. So you could just see, as you could just fix it like this. And this is a 360-degree rotator, so you could rotate your mobile on the go. So really a helpful gadget to have when you are going for an outride or long ride, to have a Google map on going when you are riding the cycle. So next is the this is the headlight of your cycle. So these are the accessories which do not comes inbuilt with your when you're buying a cycle. So you have to purchase this on ad hoc basis. And this is also another accessory that is definitely required when you are riding your cycle in the night time or in the early morning time. So if you could see, so this is having very good visibility till a longer distance. Okay, so if you could see, yeah. And this is the another flickering one, and this is the one where we in the night you could use these lights to have, so that the rider in front of you or should have visibility that there is a bicycle going ahead. So yeah, this is of a good quality. And along with this, so you could also get, so this you could mount it on your bicycle rod, okay, in a similar scene. So you could attach it like this. So this is, you may be thinking, what is this small piece of work along with this? So this is a, bicycle horn, and the distance you could see the wire distance. So it is quite long. You could place it at the right hand side, which you usually have the practice of, you know pressing the horn button. So, and the voice is also too good. You could go for it. Just a minute, you could listen it. This is how it works. So this is also a useful gadget to have. So let's put it aside and move on to our next gadget. This is the bottle that every bicycle rider should have. uh, just when you are on the go on cycling, when you find yourself, you know you should quench some water through this water bottle. So just carry it along with you. So you could get it anywhere in any of your sports shop near you. The next one that you should have is the toolkit. So this is the toolkit that I have brought. So the bicycles are having tools, the screws, which are not easily openable by our daily screwdrivers. So these are multiple, you could see here, multiple tools how you could utilize it. So these are how, the cycle screws look like. So this is, you could use the necessary screw. You could just push it into that and unlock it. So this is a very useful tool that every bicycle rider should have, when at least when it comes to your regular checkup of your bicycle. So you could use it in a very efficient manner. There are also other tools that comes along with it, which may be rarely used, but definitely those are an added advantage. So this is from Strauss company, and you could see the pricing along with it is nearly 500 rupees. So this is also a must that you should have. So that's all for today's session regarding the tools and accessories required after buying a bicycle. So stay tuned to my channel, do subscribe to the channel, and for the latest videos and update. Thank you.